Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. In 2016, a Burger King in Rego Park, New York, dressed up as McDonald's for Halloween. Airplane toilets are often coated with non-stick materials like Teflon to make sure waste does not stick. This helps reduce the amount of water used while flushing. In Turkish, Turkey is called Hindi. In Hindi, it's called Peru. An incinerated toilet burns waste using heat, so it does not need water. Norway has a pension fund that amounts to around $189,000 per person. This is Orange County in China called Zhejiang. It is meant to replicate Orange County, California. Keeping up with the feed, an average person scrolls for Mount Everest every year on social media, but only 1% creators are able to hold the attention of the users. Pygmy terns are some of the smallest birds and can be found in many parts of South America. Incredible photos of the brave construction workers who built the Empire State Building. The paint on this chocolate shop's door is worn away perfectly to reveal all of its previous colors. This is Zhaoli dance, one of the most difficult dances in the world. In 2009, a spoof soap opera was filmed in IKEA without the store's knowledge. For a year, the cast and crew filmed scenes in different areas of an IKEA store. The result was a 7-episode series called IKEA Heights. Until the early 90s, Kmart receipts were handwritten. The lamppost focuses the sun and scorches a line in the grass. In the Cretaceous period, maggots were 3 feet long. This is what 16 years of sunlight does to your hardwood floors. The full stop or period only came into use in the 1970s. Before then, sentence ends here was used. Fax machine or scanner used so heavily the paper has cut the plastic over time. Due to their electromagnetic sensitivity, scorpions have near telekinetic powers. Researchers showed 70% of the time they could move objects to retrieve food. The inventor of the toaster had a wheat allergy. How to fix 9 common sleep problems. Before 1982, Maltesers were made by hands. 4 natural ways to clean a mattress: for odor, for urine and sweat, for blood, for vomit. Kangaroos are allergic to koalas. Bear carries a flounder along water's edge. Rhinos love boiled cabbage. If you speak rubbish, don't expect your kids to be polite. Avocado hack. In 2013, a dad in China hired gamers to keep eliminating his son in video games so his son would start looking for a job. Bobcat almost completely blends into the tree. Zhang Zhengyu was a famous Chinese artist from the 20th century who had the nickname Old Cat Master. The Duolingo owl was made green because one of the co-founders hates the color green and the other did it to annoy him. Brian Wilson of the Beach Boys wrote their first single Surfin' for a high school music class and received an F for it. In 2018, the high school retroactively changed his grade to an A. Finland has nearly ended homelessness nationwide with its housing first strategy, which gives people a small apartment and mental health support without any preconditions. Thanks to this approach, about 80% of participants successfully reintegrate into society, finding stable housing, employment, sobriety, and greater well being. Deja rev is the same as deja vu, but instead of feeling that you have experienced an event once before, you instead feel you have dreamt of this event once before. In 2011, two fishermen from Kiribati were lost at sea for 33 days, drifting 600 kilometers before washing up on Namdrik Atoll. There, one of them met the descendants of his long lost uncle who had been lost at sea 50 years earlier, landed on the same island, and started a family. Symptoms that indicate your body is in trouble. Itchy skin, no rash. Sudden sugar cravings. Random goosebumps, no cold. Waking at 2 to 4 a.m. Bright red glossy tongue. Thanks for watching.